how to get free live wallpaper on your Windows 11 computer or any particular PC. So for that, the first thing that you're going to do is head on to the Microsoft Store, and within Microsoft Store, simply search for Lively Wallpaper and hit the enter button. Now from here, you will see this application that is Lively Wallpaper. Simply install it by clicking onto this install button, and once it does, it will appear as open. So once it appears as open, simply click onto this open button in order to launch the library wallpaper. From here, you can select a number of different predefined wallpapers as per your want, or apart from that, you can also upload your own by clicking onto this option. So if you want to create your own particular wallpaper, you can click onto this plus icon and then select the video that you want to add as your default Windows wallpaper, which you can see is a live wallpaper. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.